Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make protein mac and cheese. What you want to do is you want to get yourself a box of this or something similar. The macros, I mean, they're not great, but they're not terrible. 15 grams of protein. You want to get yourself some fat-free cheddar. Don't use mozzarella because it's too stringy. So just fat-free cheddar if you can find it. The macros on this are really good. 9 grams of protein for 45 calories. But you're going to use 2 servings of that. And then you want to get yourself some unflavored, has to be unflavored, whey protein. You're going to make the pasta like you normally would. You can boil in water. I'll show you what to do once the pasta is done boiling. Alright, water's boiling. This is what it comes with, this powdered cheese. I know that some people probably think it's gross, but water's boiling pretty good for the pasta. Alright, now I got the pasta cooked and drained. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients. First, powdered cheese that comes with the pasta. Then you're going to add the 2 servings of the cheddar, fat-free. I already measured this out. This is almost exactly 2 servings left in here. Then 1 scoop of the unflavored protein powder. I know it sounds weird putting protein powder in your mac and cheese, but it's the best way to do it. Now you're going to add a little bit of milk, which is going to add a very tiny amount of calories. The milk's necessary for the creaminess. And you're going to mix it all up until that cheese is nice and melted and all the powder's dissolved. It takes a little while. You got to really mix it good. And what you're going to be left with is an extra cheesy, extra creamy, high protein, very high protein mac and cheese. Under 1,000 calories, which I know 1,000 calories sounds like a lot. This is probably something you're going to want to utilize in your bulking season or something like that. It can also be used to cut, you know, if you save all your calories for this meal. Look at this creaminess, cheesiness here. It's going to be good. All right, make sure you get all that extra cheese out. You can scrape the spoon off. Make sure you get every gram of protein off of there. All right, now I'm going to sit here and eat this, but let me go over the macros. 910 calories. 118 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat, and 81 grams of protein. So 910 calories on it sounds like a lot, but it's good. It's filling. I mean, you eat this and you're full pretty much the whole day, or if you eat it for dinner, you're full the rest of the night. You don't really feel like snacking. I know a lot of people complain that you can't absorb 81 grams of protein in one sitting, which that may be true, but it's also very satiating. So that's it. That's how you make very high protein mac and cheese. And you can't even tell that there's protein powder in it. It's good. So try it out yourself. You know, if you can't find fat-free cheddar, at least try to get like a lower fat option. You could probably use fat-free squares if you can't find the shredded. Not sure. I've never tried it, so I don't know how that would turn out. But try it out. Let me know in the comments if you tried it and how it was. If you liked it, if you're gonna make it again. And yeah, until next time.